just taking out the chassis. This is what it looks like. Now it is out. Looks like we have 2 preamps.
Ignore Late Night Chris, that is incorrect. The EF86 is the only preamp, and that 12AX7 is to drive the tremolo.
Capcom in the background. We have I'm assuming that's an EL84 then. One looks more, I don't know, it's more modern than the others. Take it out and have a look. Transformers, output transformer. It's got codes on it. It has indeed. This little tag board. A 200 on top. The input transformer then. Allen, I wonder if this is a replacement. I will check. Sorry if the quality is not great. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I'm just using my iPhone in kitchen lighting. Cool, so we've got some rust on the top, a few dings, a little bit bent. Cool, otherwise seems pretty good. Actually, now the chassis is out, we can have a slightly better look at the speaker. So we've got a little bit of surface corrosion on top. What's going on here with these solder joints? Yeah, probably reflow those. Oh, it's Celestion. It's a bit of Celestion label left over. And what Celestion that is, we'll have again another little look. There is some numbers on the speaker cone there. Oh, see those. Oh, there we go. Otherwise, apart from making a couple of spiders homeless, we're looking good. A little bit of corrosion on the screws and fittings. Oh, there's the pedal. The trim. There we are, that's the back of the Vox AC4. Now we've got the tubes out, we can see that first left hand tube is a ECC83, a Mullard, and a Mullard next to it with a faded label. But looking at the way that's screened, I'm pretty sure that's an EF86 because I have a very similar, if not identical one, in a different amp.
So you can see in some of these shots that the new Sprague atoms are going in. Unfortunately, I didn't think to take a picture of the finished refurbed one, but I will do that and re-upload. But look at the state of those capacitors, they are leaky.